Good morning, students. Today I will start new chapter, that is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Okay? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Now, what is noun? Noun is the naming words. Okay? Noun means names of person, names of place, names of animal or thing. And pronoun is what? Pronoun is used in place of nouns. They help us avoid repetition of nouns. Pronoun is a traditional part of speech. Okay? A pronoun is a traditional part of speech that originated from the Latin word, that is pronomen, okay, in which pro means in place of, pro means in place of, and again nomen means name. Okay, so Hari is absent because Hari is ill. But it is better to avoid the repetition of the noun Hari. Here two times I have used Hari. That is, Hari is absent because second time also I have used same word again. That is, Hari is ill. But pronoun avoid repetition of nouns, right? They help us avoid repetition of nouns. So how you have to write? Hari is absent because as Hari is a boy, so in case of boy you have to use pronoun he. He is ill. The word he replaces the noun Hari. Hence, it is a pronoun. Next, what are the kinds of pronouns? Student, in this video, I will explain you in details about personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Okay? In your next video, I will explain you the rest of the kinds of pronouns. What is personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used in place of the names of persons, place, animals and things. Okay? So personal pronouns are used in place of the names of persons, animals and things. Now here you can see the chart which is most important for you all to know about personal pronoun. Person, singular, plural. First person means the speaker. Okay? First person means the speaker who is speaking. So in case of singular, which pronoun will you use? Which personal pronoun will you use? I, me, mine. I, me, mine. That is singular. And in plural, we, us, ours. Okay? in second person, that is the listener who is listening. In case of second person singular, which personal pronoun should we use? You, yours. Similarly, in plural also, you, yours. Third person means persons, animals, things spoken about. Okay? So in case of third person singular, he, him, she, her, it. And in case of plural, they, them. Understood? Now student, here you can see that I have written, somewhere I have written subject, somewhere I have written object. So I is the subject. I am a boy. Okay? Subject means the speaker. I means the subject. I is the subject, that is speaker. Me, object. Give the ball to me. Give this ball to me. Okay, so me is object. This pen is mine. Mine is object. We are girls. So the speaker, subject. And us, give this pen to us. So us is object. This pen is ours. Ours is object. Similarly, you is subject, yours object. You subject, yours object. And here he, subject. Okay? Him, object. For example, he is a good boy. He is a good boy. I gave this result to him. I gave this result to him. So him is object. She is a good girl. So it is so she is subject. I gave this dress to her. Her is object. It is object and subject both. Okay? They are good companions. So subject. Them. Give this award to them. Them is object. So I hope this much is clear to you all. Now student, you must know that what is subject and what is object. Subject which comes at first, okay, in the sentence, which comes at first, means who is the speaker, and object which is a part of predicate, which comes at last, okay, it is a part of a predicate. So student, subject means what? The speaker which comes at first in the sentence, that is called subject. And what is object? The pronouns which comes in the part of predicate, okay, which comes in the part of predicate, that is called object. Okay, suppose the sun rises in the east. So the sun is the subject and rises in the east means along with verb, this part is predicate. So the pronouns which comes in the part of predicate, these are called object. I hope these things is clear to you all, that what is personal pronouns. Okay? You can take the screenshot of this and you can memorize it also. Next, move on to possessive pronouns. Now, what is possessive pronouns? Mine, ours, his, hers, yours, its, and theirs are possessive pronouns. Okay? These pronouns are called possessive pronouns. Now, what is the meaning of possessive? Possessive means possession, okay, and they replace nouns. They means possessive pronoun. Okay, possessive pronouns replace nouns and also show possession, ownership, or belongings. Means the things which are mine. That is possession, ownership, or belonging. So they are written without an apostrophe. Okay, they are written without an apostrophe. Like you can see here, mine, ours. Is there any apostrophe? No, na, because possessive pronouns do not use any apostrophe. His, is there any apostrophe? There is no apostrophe because they are written without an apostrophe. Let me explain you with some examples. The ball is his. Here his is possessive pronoun. And the bat is mine. Okay. So mine is possessive pronoun. That dress is not yours. Here yours is possessive pronoun. It is hers. Here hers is possessive pronoun. So you can see that I have not used any apostrophe while using possessive pronouns. But while writing possessive form of noun like Aman's book, Nita's dress, in that case you have to put apostrophe before S. Like, is that kitten Aman's? Here I have used apostrophe. Why? Because apostrophe is used in case of possessive form of noun. Understood? But in case of possessive pronoun, we never use apostrophe. Is there any apostrophe? No. Is that kitten yours? We have not used any apostrophe here before S. Because possessive pronoun avoid apostrophe. Okay. They are written without an apostrophe. Possessive forms of nouns, that is this one is called possessive forms of nouns, need an apostrophe, whereas possessive pronouns don't. Student, in your next class, I will going to explain you about the rest kinds of pronouns, that is reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, okay, and interrogative pronouns. I hope you all have understood. You can take the screenshot and memorize it. Thank you and take care. Bye.